ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज 496। एतेन चरम ज्ञान मिथ्यात्वे अपि न तद विषयस्य मिथ्यात्वम् ज्ञान मिथ्यात्वस्य विषय मिथ्यात्वा साधकत्वात् अद्वैत ज्ञाने व्यभिचारात् इति निरस्तम्। एतेन निरस्तम्। So what is given between that etena and nirastam is Purvapakshis kathanam. Purvapakshi would say charama jnana mithyatva api. Charama jnana means charama bheda jnana. Charama jnana mithyatva api na tad vishayasya mithyatva. The vishaya according to Purvapaksha is the bheda. Charama jnana vishaya is bheda. Charama jnana is bheda vishayaka jnana. So because we say yad drishyam tanmithya, so charama jnanam is a vritti jnanam. Vritti jnanam is drishyam, therefore it is mithya. So Purvapakshi says, okay, jnanam can be mithya, but bheda cannot be mithya, which is the vishaya of charama jnana. So Siddhanti's anumanam will be what? Charama jnana vishaya mithya. Purvapakshi is saying charama jnana vishaya is not mithya. Siddhanti will say charama jnana vishaya is mithya. Why? Mithya bhuta jnana vishayatvat. Because vishaya is mithya because its jnanam is mithya. Shukti rajatavat. In Shukti rajata jnanam is mithya.
Yes.
Shukti rajata is mithya.
Yes.
So jnanam is mithya, vishaya is mithya. So Siddhanti will say here charama jnana is mithya, therefore charama jnana vishaya is also mithya. Purvapakshi will say this is not true in your case. You say Brahmakar vritti is mithya, but Brahmakar vritti's vishaya is Brahma, which is Satyam. So your anumana has vyabhichara. This vyabhichara is given in your Hindi tika. For 26, for 26. Jnana से भेद is सत भेद Ghata Pata Bheda Ityadi, what he is trying to explain. It is Satya because it is the Vishaya of Mithya Jnana. So his Vyapti is Yatra Yatra Mithya Jnana Vishayatvam Tatra Tatra Satyatvam. Jnanam is Mithya, its Vishaya is Satya. Like Brahmakar Vritti is Mithya. Brahmakar Vritti's Vishaya Brahma is Satya. So he says Charama Vritti Vishayavat. For him, Charama Vritti means Brahmakar Vritti. When Siddhanti uses the word Charama Vritti to contradict Purvapakshi, Siddhanti's idea of Charama Vritti is Charama Bheda Vritti. Bheda, 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 up to a point it will go. Thereafter, Bhedas are not available, and therefore, from there, Advaita Shruti will work to establish Abheda. Charama Vritti Vishaya. What? So Siddhanti will say, this your Anumanam is, see that Mulam. Charama Jnana Mithyatva api na tad Vishaya se Mithyatvam. Who will say this? Purvapakshi. No, this Charama Jnana Mithyatva api na tad Vishaya se Mithyatvam. Here Charama Jnana is Bheda Jnana. Purvapakshi says Bheda Jnana Mithyatva api. Bheda Jnana Vishaya Bheda is not Mithya. Jnana Mithyattvasya Vishaya Mithyatva Asadhakatvat. Yatra yatra Jnana Mithyatvam Tatra Tatra Vishaya Mithyatvam is not necessary, Purvapakshi will say. Why? Because Advaita Jnana Vyabhichara. In your Brahmakar Vritti, there is Vyabhichara. Because you say Brahmakar Vritti is Mithya, its Vishaya is Satya. Up to this is clear?
Yes.
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swami.
Iti Nirasta. This is Nirasta. Why? In this Anumana, there is Upadhi. Abadhi Tattvam. So, Abadhi Tattva is the Upadhi. So, Yatra Yatra Satyatvam, Upadhi Lakshanam is what is Upadhi Lakshanam?
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्.
Sadhya Vyapakatve Sati Sadhana Vyapakatvam. So, Yatra Yatra Satyatvam, Tatra Tatra Abadhi Tattvam. This is Sadhana Vyapaka Upadhi. So, it is true, what is Satya is Abadhita. In Brahmakar Vritti, the Satya Brahma is Abadhita. But Sadhana Avyapaka, Sadhana is in this Anumana of Purvapakshi. What is the Sadhana?
मिथ्या ज्ञान विषयत्वम्.
Mithya Jnana Vishayatvam. Where is the Anumana given? On 426, third line from the bottom. Mithya Jnana Vishayatvam is Sadhana. Abadhi Tattva is not Vyapaka for Mithya Jnana Vishaya. For Bheda, Bheda is also Badhita. Bheda is not Trikala Abadhya Bheda. Badhita. So, Bheda has Abadhitattva Abhava. So, in Paksha, it is not there. Therefore, Sadhana Vyapaka, Sadhya Vyapaka, Sadhana Vyapaka, Abadhitattva is Upadhi. Upaditvat, it cannot do Bheda Satya Siddhi. So Shrutyaiva Dvaita Matra Nishedhyatva Bodhanat. Shruti is doing Nisheda of Dvaita Matra. All Dvaita is Nishiddha according to Shruti. Advaita ज्ञान विषये च मिथ्यात्व बोधका भावादेव सत्यम. The Purva Pakshi says, okay, you are saying in our case, Charama Bheda Vritti is mithya. Bheda, the Charama Bheda Vritti Vishaya is mithya. In your case, Charama Brahmakar Vritti is mithya. But Charama Brahmakar Vritti Vishaya is satya. How? Why you have to say every time you are right? So Siddhanti says, because in our case, Advaita Jnana Vishaye cha Mithyatva Bodhaka Bhavad eva Satya. Because there is no Bodhaka which says Brahma is Mithya. Therefore, Mithyatva Bodhaka Abhavad Charama Vritti Vishaya is Satya. Not because Jnanam is Mithya, therefore Vishaya is Mithya. Natu Jnana Mithyatvat. Jnanam is Mithya, therefore Vishaya is Mithya is not necessary. Or if Vishaya is Satyam, then Jnanam has to become Satyam is not necessary. That which is having a Badhaka, then it is Mithya. If it doesn't have any Badhaka, it is Satya. Natu Jnana Mithyatvat. Iti na kinchit etat. Na kinchit etat means your point is so insignificant. Is nothing. Not worth discussing also. Nanu Dvaita Jnana yor abhede katham badhya badhaka bhava. Purva Paksha says, according to you, you are saying everything has abheda. Siddhanti says, yes. So Dvaita Jnana and Advaita Jnana has abheda. Yes. How Advaita Jnana will do Badha on Dvaita Jnana if both of them are one? There is no Badhya Badhaka Bhava possible. Siddhanti will say, Vyavaharika Bheda Matrena Saha. Saha? Saha?
Dvaita Jnana.
Huh? Nacha Vyavaharika Bheda Matrena Saha. What is the previous line?
बाध्य बाधक भाव.
हाँ, सह बाध्य बाधक भाव. व्यावहारिक भेद मात्रेण व्यावहारिक बाध्य बाधक भाव is possible. Means बाध्य बाधक is at व्यावहारिक level. At पारमार्थिक level there is abheda. So द्वैत ज्ञानस्यापि बाधकत्व आपत्ते है. द्वैत ज्ञानम will be negated by अद्वैत ज्ञानम इति चेत न. न च. Purva Paksha says, you cannot say Vyavaharika Bheda Matrena Badhya Badhaka Bhava. Why? At Vyavaharik level, Dvaita Jnanam is negated by Advaita Jnanam, you are saying. I will say, Dvaita Jnanam will negate Advaita Jnanam. Instead of Advaita Jnanam negating Dvaitam, Dvaitam can negate Advaita. Dvaita Jnanasyapi Badhakatva. If Dvaita Jnanam is Badhaka, then Advaita Jnanam will become
बाध्य.
Badhya. So what is the Vinigamana? That only Advaita Jnanam will do Badha of Dvaitam and not the other way. Iti chet na. Vyavaharika Bheda Matrasya Badhakatva अप्रयोजकत्वात्. Just because it is vyavaharika. So they have vyavaharika bheda, both of them. Because both of them have vyavaharika bheda, therefore anyone can do badha of any other. That is not true. Vyavaharika bheda is there, therefore badhya badhaka bhava is there. But only one will get badhakatva, another will get badhyatva. So Siddhanti says, in this, parikshita pramanatva is required. व्यावहारिक भेद मात्रस्य बाधकत्व अप्रयोजकत्वात्. व्यावहारिक भेद मात्र is हेतु, is व्यावहारिक भेद मात्रस्य बाधकत्व. बाधकत्व will become sadhya. व्यावहारिक भेद will become hetu to do siddhi of badhakatva is not true. Siddhanti is saying. So Purva Pakshi is trying to do such anumana that Dvaita Jnanam is badhakam of Advaita Jnana because it has Vyavaharika Bheda Vattvat. So Vyavaharika Bheda will become Badhaka Prayojaka according to Purva Pakshi. Siddhanti says no. Advaita Vedanta Abhimata Advaita Jnanam, how you are saying it is Badhaka of Dvaita Jnanam, Purva Paksha says our Dvaita Jnanam will do Badha of Advaita Jnanam. Siddhanti says in this Anumanam that you are doing, Parikshita Pramanavatvam is needed. Parikshita Pramana Bhavatvam. Yadhi Parikshita Pramana Bhavatvena Balavat Tad Badhakam. Yattu Sandigdha Pramana Bhavatvena Durbalam Tad Badhyam. Advaita Jnanam is Parikshita Pramana Bhavatvena Balavat. This is Upadhi. Parikshita Pramana Bhavatvam, this is the Upadhi. Parikshita Pramana Bhavatvena Balavat Tad Badhaka. Yattu Sandigdha Pramana Bhavatvena Durbalam Tad Badhyam. There where there is Sandigdha Pramana. Sandigdha Pramana is in Dvaita Jnanam. It is Durbala. Because it is Durbalam Tad Badhyam. Iti Vyavasthaya. Dvaita Jnanasya Durbalatvena Abadhakatvasya Advaita Jnanasya cha Balavatvena Badhakatvasya Shabda Pratyaksha Bala Bala Vichare Darshitatvat. Dvaita Jnanam is Durbalam, therefore it is Badhaka. Abadhakatvasya. Advaita Jnanasya cha Balavatvena Badhaka. Dvaita Jnanam is Durbala, therefore it cannot become Badhaka, it will be Badhya. Advaita Jnanam is Balavat, it is Badhaka. This Vichara was already done. Shabda Pratyaksha Bala Bala Vichare. It is already shown. Darshitatvat. Yattu Apova idam sarvam ityadi shrutihi vimalam vimatam jalabhinnam pratitatvat jalavat iti anumanam va स्वबाधकस्य जलाभेदं गृहीत्वा निर्बाधं सत् त्वदुक्तन्यायेन सर्वस्य जलाभेदं बोधयेत् इति. Siddhanti is quoting this statement of Purva Paksha. You can see all these quotations that are given yattu or nirastam, etc. All these are there in Nyayamrita. You can see second last line in Nyayamrita. Anyatha apo va idam sarvam iti shrutir va vimatam jala vinnam prati tattva jalavat iti anumanam va. Whatever is given in Nyayamrita, Advait Siddhikar takes that and does Khandana. Apo va idam sarvam. This is Mahanarayan Upanishad. Ityadi Shruti hi vimatam. The Shruti and another Yukti, Anumanam he gives. Vimatam jala bhinnam, not different from jala. Anything. Pratitattvat jalavat. Like jala is jala abhinna. So vimatam is jala abhinna. Iti anumanam va स्वबाधकस्य जलाभेदं गृहीत्वा. स्वबाधक जल अभेद निर्बाधम सत. So Siddhanti will give this Anumanam. Let's go step by step. Siddhanti will say Ekameva Dvitiyam and Prapancho Mithya Drishyatvad Shukti Rupyavat. So this is Mithyatva Bodhaka Anumanam. With Shruti and Yukti, Siddhanti will say Ghata Pata Bheda Buddhi will be negated with the help of this Shruti and Yukti. Shruti and Yukti will do Sarva Abheda Siddhi. Purvapaksha will say Apo va idam sarvam and Vimatam Jalabhinnam Pratitatvad. This Anumanam, what it will do, it will create Jala Abheda. So wherever Jala Bheda is there, Pratyaksha Jala Bheda, Ghata Bheda, Pata Bheda with Jala, and that Bheda Jnanam also. This Jala Abheda Bodhaka Agama Jnanam, it will do its own Abheda Siddhi, and everywhere Jala Abheda means everything Jalam. If you say Ekam Eva Dvitiyam, everything is Brahma, this Shruti will do everything is Jalam. Yukti is also there. In this way, if we think, then what will happen? Badhya Badhaka Vyavastha will be negated. So, iti anumanam va swabadhakasya jalabhedam grihitva. Swabadhaka jala abheda. Jala abheda is badhaka. It will do badha of all jala bheda. Nirbadham sat. Tvaduktanyayana sarvasya jala abhedam bodhayet. It will reveal jala abheda of everything. Iti tanna. जला भेद बोधने अपि बाध्य बाधकयोर ऐक्य अबोधनात्. जल अभेद बोधने अपि, even if it does जल अभेद ज्ञानम, बाध्य बाधकयोः ऐक्य अबोधना. बाध्य बाधक भाव एक will not happen. बाध्य बाधक भेद will remain in vyavahara. Therefore, one can negate the other. बाधकस्य बाधकत्व उपपत्ति. ऐक्य ज्ञान भेद ज्ञानयोर बाध्य बाधक भावस्य जलाभेद ज्ञानेन अनपायात् ऐक्य ज्ञान भेद ज्ञानयो. ऐक्य ज्ञान says everything is jalam. Veda Jnanam says Ghata, Pata, Jala are all bhinna. Between them, the Badhya Badhaka Bhava, Aikya Jnanam will be the Badhaka, Veda Jnanam will be Badhya, Badhya Badhaka Bhavasya, Jala Abheda Jnanena, the Jala Abheda Jnanam, everything is Jalam. Jala Abheda Jnanena, Anapayat. Anapayat means it cannot be eliminated. Apaya means to remove. Nivarana. Anapayat na nivaritam. Anivaryam. So then a question will come, where do we not accept Badhya Badhaka Bhava? So Siddhanti says, बाधकत्व अभावे प्रयोजक. बाधक अभेदो ही बाधकत्व अभावे प्रयोजक. बाधकस्य स्वबाधकत्व अदर्शनात्. Badhaka will not do badha of its own. It will do badha of the other. That is where Badhya Badhaka Bhava will come. So there where Badhya Badhaka Abhed comes, so then Badhaka cannot do badha of Badhya. Where they are one, how will it do badha? It will have to do badha of itself, which it doesn't have. So Swayam Swasya Badho or Badhako na bhavati. Badhya Badhaka, in case of Brahma, Advitiya Brahma and Dvaitatmaka Jagat is possible. But Badhya Badhaka between Jala and Jagat is not possible. Why? See, Badhya Badhaka, if you want to do, it will happen only when the Bheda is seeming Bheda. For example, in Jala, Budbuda, Hena, Taranga, these are Bheda. So if you say Apova idam sarvam, Jala, Budbuda, Phena, Taranga, ityadi. So that is possible. Because that adhishthanam will do the badha of what is adhyastha there. But if you say Jalam is Akasha, Jalam is Vayu, Jalam is Agni, and therefore Jalam is Sarvam, that Badha will not happen. In case of Brahma, this Badha is possible. Because when it is said, Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit, Ekameva Dvitiyam, then when entire Srishti is explained, its origin is in Sat. Its Adhishthanam is Sat. Therefore, if we say Sadeva Sarvam, it is possible. Neha Nanasti Kinchana, it is possible. So Badhaka Abhedo hi Badhakatva Abhave Prayojaka. बाधक अभेद will prove badhaka abhava. Jala will have badhaka abhava. When there is badhaka abheda means all those things, they have to become one. But everything doesn't have that. Like Akasha, Vayu, Agni, they are not one with Jala. Jala does not have abheda with everything. It has abheda only with Taranga, Phena, Budbuda, etc. But Brahma has abheda with all. So Brahma Jnanam can become Badhaka for Bheda Jnana. This is the difference. So there where there is absolute oneness, you cannot have Badhya Badhaka. Where there is no oneness or no Karya Karana, you cannot have Badhya Badhaka. Means Jnanam and Ajnanam. Ajnanam can eliminate Jnanam can eliminate Ajnanam only because Jnanam has Prabala Pramana that we saw earlier. Parikshita Pramanyam it has. Parikshita Pramana Bhavavatvam, that which has, it can do Badha. Or there where there is Karya Karana Bhava. Therefore, अतो न बाध्य बाधक ऐक्य ज्ञानस्य जला भेद ज्ञान साम्य. So बाध्य बाधक in case of ऐक्य ज्ञान, Brahmatma ऐक्य and jala abheda, these both are not similar. They are different. Brahmatma ऐक्य ज्ञानम can do badha of bheda jnana, any other. But jala abheda jnanam is not similar. Etena सर्वं सर्वस्माद् भिन्नम इति मद्वाक्यम अद्वैत वाक्य तज्ज्ञान तद विषयाणाम तेभ्यो भेदम आदौ गृहीत्वा निर्बाधम सत् सर्वभेदे पर्यवस्यति इति निरस्तम. Again he uses this. So etena nirastam is siddhanti. In between everything is Purvapaksha. So sarvam sarvasmad bhinnam. Purvapakshi said everything is different from everything. Iti madvakyam. Madvakyam means Purvapakshi vakyam. Advaita vakya tad jnana tad vishayanam. This is how we started in the beginning. So Advaita vakya jnanam, Advaita vakya vishaya, vishayanam tebhyo bhedam adau grihitva. It will take the bheda. Nirbadham sat sarva bhede. It will establish sarva bheda. Advaita jnanam is different. Advaita jnana vishaya is different. And Advaita jnana janaka vakya is different. Mahavakya is different. Mahavakya janya jnanam is different. Jnana vishaya is different. Everything is bhinnam, bhinnam, bhinnam. Purvapakshi's this argument is nirastam. Why nirastam? Because Badhya Badhakayoho abhede Badhakatva abhavat bhede api Badhakatvam nasyat. Iti atra hetu abhavat Purvokta doshajya iti dik. Badhya Badhakayoho abhede. Between Badhya and Badhaka there is abheda. When it is there, Badhakatva abhavavat. Then if there is Badhya Badhaka abheda, it cannot do Badha. So that Vakya cannot be Badhaka of anything. Because it is same, it is one. One itself will not have Badhya Badhaka. In the same way, Bhede api Badhakatvam nasya. In Bheda also, Badakatvam will not be there. Why? Hetu abhavat purvakta doshat. These two we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamada Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।